Best chicken fried rice, guys. Stick around to find out the recipe from zero to hero. We will take our instant pan out and we will add tiny bit of oil. You can use olive oil in there as well. So this is chicken. We have made small pieces of the chicken. So first of all, we will fry this chicken up. So it's gonna take at least 5 to 10 minutes. So we will stir fry the chicken out first. So it's been 5 minutes of stir frying our chicken first. We will add the raw onion in there. After adding the onion, again we will stir fry until the onion gets soft. It's gonna take another 2-3 minutes for the onions to get soft. So I just want to tell you guys the rice what we are using for the fried rice. These rice have to be cooked a day before. I would say a day before rice is much better. And these are the jasmine rice. So these are kind of boiled jasmine rice. So for now we will just keep it on the side until our onion gets soft in there. We don't have to make it all the way mushy, but we just have to just stir fry until they are soft enough. Okay, so it's been 2 minutes after adding the onion in the chicken. Now we will add the bell pepper, or you can use the carrots in there as well. We'll add the bell pepper, and I'm adding some broccoli in there. So this is just the broccoli flower side. I'm not adding the sticks. You can see this is just the broccoli flower, the top part. So here we will stir fry this for again until they are soft. So it's gonna take, I would say, at least 2 to 3 minutes. So it's been 8 minutes total of stir frying this. I'm adding the fresh garlic right in the middle, and we will add the table salt. This is so easy recipe, guys. You guys can cook it at home if you guys have 15 to 20 minutes. The aroma, wow. The stir fry has its own aroma here. So after adding the garlic, we stir fried our garlic with all these vegetables and the chicken for 2-3 minutes. Now you can add your rice right in there. After adding the rice, give it a stir. As you guys can see how beautiful color it's forming up. Wonderful. Wonderful, tasty and easy recipe. It's about to become a hero recipe in just another 5 minutes. So here we will add some soy sauce right on top of our rice. And we will add some chili sauce just to give it a special blend kind of taste. It's gonna give a professional kind of, when you get rice from the restaurant, they do add some kind of chili in there. We will give it a stir. As you guys can see how the rice is changing color to a professional fried rice recipe. Wow. Delicious. You guys can add egg in there if you want to, but I'm not using egg in there. For the egg fried rice, it's gonna be a different video. It's gonna be a different recipe, and it's gonna be soon on the channel, very soon. So for that, you guys have to subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell just to get the notification of that rice or any other good videos. Okay, now add your green peas in there, just a fair amount, and the secret ingredient. So I have here sesame seed. We will add some of the sesame seed in there, and here we will give it a stir. Wow, colorful, full of aroma, and our rice is almost done. We will just simmer these rice for next 5 minutes, and wonderfully done. I wish I can give you the aroma right in there, but I can't. You have to try this recipe to get this kind of aroma in your house and this kind of a flavor. So I'm turning this stove onto simmering pot, and I'll just wait next 2-3 minutes, and it will be all done. Okay, it's been 2-3 minutes and it has been simmering, and now guys, we will just transfer these rice in our serving bowl. Wow, the aroma. Add a pinch of parsley in there, or you can use coriander, or you can use green onion on top. Wow. So it's a bite time now. Wow, look at this, guys. I mean, you can see every single grain, and it's time to taste. Yum. I want everything in one bite though. That's what I'm trying for. Perfectly roasted, and it's like aroma is there to greet me. You gotta try this recipe, guys. Chicken fried rice from 0 to hero in less than 20 minutes. Amazing. You can take a bite. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Try this easy, simple and the delicious recipe, I would say. There's just one word for it: delicious, and super healthy for you. I'll see you guys on the next video. Please subscribe the channel and like the video, and bye now.